Hello everyone! Today we're gonna keep having fun with shapes. Do you know which animal we're gonna make today? Waddle, waddle, waddle. Penguin! Let's get started. Look, this is our little penguin. And there we have all the pieces. We got some black pieces and some peach color pieces and the other pieces. Now we're gonna start from the black parts. First, let's take the small black circle to make the head. Ta-da! Take the bigger circle to put there as the body. Okay, too cute, so cute. And then we need to make the wings. What color are the wings? Black. Look, a black semicircle. This is the belly. Scratch, scratch. All right, we have the belly right there. And then we have another semicircle to make the lower part of the face. And now we're gonna make the feet. And then what else are missing? The little beak. And then here is one eye. Ta-da! And then the other eye right there. Hello, I am a little penguin. Waddle, waddle, waddle. This is our penguin. Good job. Look how cute it is. Do you know where you can see a penguin? In the zoo, that's right. Also in Antarctica. It's very cold. Penguin, penguin. Bye.